Alrighty, so this is our last video in our Trudenta Home Care Therapy series. So in this video I'm just going to go over the do's and don'ts, kind of what you should be doing and what you shouldn't be doing. And there's kind of a short list at the bottom of our home care therapy overview sheet. So some of the do's are you want to try to eat healthy, vegetables, fruits, try to avoid the sugars, that kind of thing. You want to exercise, be good to your body and exercise. Want to do kind of some easier exercises. You don't want to be too vigorous or any, definitely avoid any sports where you could have head injuries. Like jogging, cardio machines, yoga, that kind of thing is pretty good. Or core exercises are really good too. You want to practice some deep breathing. So with deep breathing, you just take nice, slow, deep breaths. Just if you feel like you're about to go through a stressful period, or you just need to spend some time during the day relaxing. And the breathing exercises really help you relax. And the other thing you want to do is really concentrate on not clenching. Throughout the day, just notice if your teeth are together. Your teeth really should only come together when you're eating. When you're not eating, your teeth should be separate. Even if your lips are together, your teeth shouldn't be together. So just try to keep a mental note of if your teeth are together or not, and just try to relax your jaw as much as possible. The things you should avoid are, again, like the vigorous sports where you could get a jaw, an elbow to the jaw, that kind of thing. Vigorous sprinting around and just overworking yourself out in the sun, especially if you have headaches. Just take it easy when it's really hot outside. You want to avoid chewing gum as much as possible. If you're addicted to chewing gum, you need to find some other type of habit that you can do instead. You want to stay away from really hard and crunchy foods, nuts, saltwater taffy, that kind of thing. Anything that's going to put a lot of stress on your jaw, you want to avoid. And then you want to avoid, if you're a headache patient, you want to avoid dairy products, which can sometimes set off headaches. Reduce your alcohol and stay away from fried foods. Those things can kind of set off the headaches as well. And you also want to avoid really heavy sugary items, which in some people sets off headaches too. And avoid food that are really heavily processed. There's lots of chemicals in all these processed foods. So try to eat food that's more natural, less preservatives, avoid all the canned stuff and the heavily packaged stuff as well. And then lastly, you want to avoid being in areas where there are lots of strong smells, like candles, cigarette smoke, perfume, that kind of thing. So, and try to avoid stressful situations as much as possible. A lot of people, there's only a certain extent that they can reduce being in stressful situations, but just try to really focus on being as stress-free as possible throughout this program. So those are the do's and don'ts. And if you have any questions, check out our website, look at the other videos, or feel free to give us a call. And thanks for watching.